Hi, welcome to our home. Today we're going to tackle the laundry, do some decluttering in our closet, and get our bedroom back in order. Why don't you come on and join me? Well, let's. First we're going to start on the laundry. My husband's absolutely hilarious, so I thought I should share this little moment with you guys. Yeah. Go with the laundry. He's definitely grown into the dad jokes. We knew we were going to declutter the closet today, so we went into doing the laundry with that in mind. Anything that we didn't want to keep, we went ahead and set that aside because there's no use folding or hanging something up that you're going to take down anyway. There wasn't a lot here to declutter because if it's in the laundry, it means he's worn it, so he likes it. There were one or two things that he wore that he realized he didn't really like, so we set those aside. There were also a couple of my shirts that sat in the dryer too long, so they were pretty wrinkly. So we put those back in the laundry hamper. I'm going to spritz them with water and put them back in the dryer on a freshen up cycle. Now we're going to move on to the closet, starting with his side first. He did ask my permission to throw something away, but they're his clothes, and if he doesn't feel good in them, then he shouldn't have to wear them, so we got rid of it. After that, he got very brutal. He got rid of his old pilot shirts from when he was learning how to fly. He got rid of the pants to his taekwondo gi. I mean, it's not like they fit him anyway. He's at least 2 feet taller than he was when he wore them. He did keep the top though, because it's got his name on it, and the belt, because, let's face it, that's really the important part. He also kept the epaulettes from his pilot uniform. That's a little shoulder pad with the stripes on it, and of course his wings. We'll put the pilot keepsakes and the belt in our little cubby of shame, as we call it. It's really a place where we put things that we're proud of, but we're funny, so When we declutter like this, we'll take 2 trash bags, one for things that are ruined and no one's gonna wear, and we'll either throw those away or reuse them for some other purpose or donate them to a dog shelter. And then another bag for things that can go to a thrift store that someone else might enjoy. I like to use dark trash bags that you can't see through, or cardboard boxes that you can tape up. That way you can donate the whole thing, you don't have to take it out of any containers. It's easy to drop it off, and you're not tempted to go through it again because you can't see into it, so you don't see something that tempts you.
Keep my focus right. Every glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes. But baby.
Now to the top of the closet. Can you have too many bags? My hubby thinks you can, but I say that it's always nice to have a bag. You know, So I have a lot. But it's okay. I organize them and we use them. So it's fine. Am I rationalizing? Oh well, moving on.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one. Love of mine. Love of mine.
Now he's cleaning out his pilot bag, going through everything and making sure that it's all in good shape and still works. Surprisingly, that calculator does still work, even though it's solar powered and it's been in that bag for, I don't know, 3 years? I'm impressed.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in.
Alrighty, now his side is done. Everything looks good and organized, and he's happy with everything that's in here. And now it's my turn. I had already gone through my hanging clothes, and I'm pretty happy with everything that's theirs, but I really needed to go through these drawers.
Too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings.
And now onto the bedroom. We got a little out of hand and a little unorganized, and really it's making it hard to get a good night's sleep because it's a little bit stressful. So we are going to tackle this today and sleep amazing the rest of the week.
Until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless.
We have this nice electric generator because we had a lot of storms in our area, and it runs on these batteries, and the batteries also power all of our lawn equipment. So we have it in here just because it's really hot outside, often over 100 degrees, and it doesn't really do well out in that kind of heat in the garage. So we just keep it in our bedroom. I found it a home on the bottom shelf of our little bookcase over here, and now it's nice and neat.
And we were in too deep.
I love this blanket. My mother-in-law got it for us, and it has a picture of us from our engagement on it. So I'm gonna give it a nice home. Now we're moving on to my inversion table. I really liked using it, but now it gives me headaches, so I can't really use it anymore. And it's just kind of been sitting there in the way for a long time, making me feel bad for not using it. So we're gonna tackle it and get it out of the way. If you have a project that seems a little overwhelming, but it would make your life a lot better just to get it done, then let's do it. Get up and take care of it with me.
I don't care where the motor stops, cause when I want it, then I want it, yeah, I want it, oh, I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life. Hit me.
It was actually more complicated to take apart than I expected it to be because I had no idea what I was doing, so I just kind of had to figure it out as I went along. Maybe in the future, if I put it back together for myself or someone else, then I'll just watch this video, put it in reverse, and then I'll know how to put it all back together. For more cleaning motivation and how-tos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Comment down below one place that you really want to clean and then make a plan to get it done. You'll feel so much better once it is. And go ahead and like this video if you find it useful and find that it motivates you to clean your own spaces.
Right now I'm in it. I feel kinda dizzy when I'm staring at you. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that. And I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do, 'cause right now I'm in it. Yeah, I'm in it.
I tried to hook the nuts and bolts back where they were, that way they don't get lost, and it gives me a hint as to where they go. We actually keep all of our other workout equipment underneath the bed, so wish me luck trying to find a place to fit this.
Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. I said, Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby.
Look at that, we did it. We found a spot. I did recruit the hubby's help to put the bottom part in on the other side of the bed.
For love or pity, let me know, not now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back.
Now we're gonna start on his side of the room and declutter his little bedside table, dust everything off, and put it back the way he likes it.
It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?
Then we were gonna strip the bed to wash the sheets, and here's another funny moment. Enjoy. Stop my music and play that. Don't worry, as you heard, I did give him a fair warning that I was definitely including that in the video.
Why are you playing? We ain't got the time.
Next, we're going to flip the mattress over. It's a good idea to do that every 6 months or so. It can really prolong the life of your mattress.
Come on and spit it out.
And there was a terrible high five, but it was fun.
How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?
My hubby got me this cute picture for Mother's Day, and it needed to be in a nice spot. Plus, what we had here was too small, so I put that on the bookcase, hung up this new picture, and our bedroom is done. If you need more cleaning motivation, click the video on the left, and for a lot more motivation, click the playlist on the right. Bye!